console now. Um, all right, we'll create an EC2 instance. First of all, I'd like to work in, I'd like the client would like the website to be hosted in West Virginia. Now don't forget to change to your client preference. Okay, so I'm creating an EC2 instance. I'm sure everyone here knows how to create an EC2 instance. Launch EC2 instance. E-commerce. I'm naming it e-commerce. We're using Amazon Linux. Why am I using Amazon Linux? It is stated in this package that the AMI to use is use Amazon Linux. That's why I'm using Amazon Linux. The client knows what he wants. Of course, I don't need key pair for this project. Neither do I need SSH access. So I only need HTTP and HTTPS. Why? Because this project, this is a website. It's an e-commerce website. It's like Simisola sells bags, and Simisola wants to host our website because she's a cloud engineer. Now she wants to host our own website by herself. This is a real-time project that a client has given to the Martians Tech to do, and then we're doing it together. Now you may look at how easy it is to do this and be like, oh, why is this client is paying $500 for this job? And then you're in your mind wondering why this client is paying $500 for this job. Well, there's clientels, and then there's skills, and then there's hold on, please. Just give me a minute. Where are you? 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 Hold on, please. Okay. Yeah. So you have to use your head, even as a cloud engineer, when you're trying to build your client. The more time you spend on the project, the more they think they should pay, of course. So we're only doing this. I'm only doing it fast now because it is with my team. Now, the client would not know that this is how long it takes to do this. So let's go back to what we're doing. We've imputed this in the user data. We've done a lot of projects like this. I'm just showing you this is how to host a website for a client. Now, we're going to be hosting it using EC2, but that is after you guys have submitted your own. Then we'll now host it again using S3 buckets. I'll show you how to do it with S3 bucket, how to host a static website. So now let's launch this like this, all things being equal. I'm not sure there's anything we have not touched. Okay, it's telling me that I don't have a key. So I want to proceed without key. Proceed without key because I don't need key. I'm not doing anything on the server. So let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay, it is up, but then I don't think it's up because of the project that we put on it. Now, for those wondering where I got the code, I've pasted the link. When you come here, just click on the EC2 deploy.sh. That is what we have put in the user data box. After this, I'll show you how to use these other ones to launch it. Not everything. The rest of this package can be used. Some of them can be used in a CI/CD process, but you guys are not DevOps engineers, so I'll only show you how to use it on the S3 bucket as a static website. So let's wait for it to completely. Okay, it is up. It is up and running. My internet is a bit slow, so let's hold on. TJ, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, this is what is going to happen after this session. I'm going to upload this video almost immediately. But because you're in this class, you and Simisola, you do not need this video. I'm expecting you to send your copy of this same project immediately after the class to the group. Okay, my loading failed. That means my internet is really, really bad. Let me refresh. Okay, it is running. And now, TJ, to access this client's website, what do I need to do? How do I access the website, TJ? Pay
You go
attention.
to you open a new what do you call it again?
Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. You're getting it, but then you're not getting it. How do I access the client? I'm here already. I have already imputed it in the user data. How do I access it on my browser?
The
What?
public IP.
Okay. Are you asking me or you're telling me?
Copy the public IP. I'm telling you now.
Okay. Okay. I've copied it. I'm pasting it, right? You want me to paste it, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see? Voila.
Yes.
We're not going to deliver for our clients like this, of course. This number is not what our clients will be sending to people that want to buy stuffs on this, page. I don't know if Simsola is still here, but if you can see this is an e-commerce website. I don't want to put my email here because I don't want to subscribe. Our website is ready. She has shoes for $45, $49, $50. And this is real-time project. Real-time project. Yeah. Do you understand? Can you see? Can you see? The
Mm.
whole project is now hosted on the public IP of our EC2 instance. We've never done anything like this before, but since you guys are asking for real-time project, I decided to bring it today.